Hi, I want to show one important benefit of using TAD, which is the undo feature. When you're working on a model, it's quite common that we will be making a lot of changes as we design. For example, even in this simple room, which is a default model which comes with TAD, I may, for example, shift this particular doorway, I may rotate it, and I may drag it around to different locations or whatever. And I'm thinking in my mind what all I should be doing. And now I've shifted to this chaja, and now I'm taking that around and moving that around. And here is another room which I'm fooling around with, and I'm doodling or whatever. Now, if you notice, this particular model has now got three different elements, and these three elements are been modified or moved around and rotated. What that does is that each object, logical object, preserves its own undo history up to about 10 levels. So I can go to this chaja and I can say undo that and it goes back to where it was. I can go to this particular doorway and I can undo that and that goes back. I can go to this room and I can do that. Now, this need not be done in the same order or anything like that. And this is extremely powerful when you have a very large project and you have made a lot of changes, and then you are not really sure what type of, I mean, how do you go back to the earlier changes, and you're not sure whether you should accept whatever you've done, and would you want to revert, all the reasons why you would want to undo and redo objects. Unlike other software which goes in a very systematic linear manner, tad undo is logical. It goes to the object and you can undo just that object. You can even select two objects together. Now I have selected these two objects together. I can redo that together, or I can undo them together. This makes it extremely powerful. Now I'll show you another feature of TAD, which is or to do with undo itself. Like, let me save this file as a save as undo test or something. So there's another one over there. Let me make this as a undo test 2, and I've saved it. I've quit my program. I come the next day and I say give me undo test 2 back, and you find that all the objects undo are still available. So I can actually go to that site and I can say redo that, and it will actually redo this, or you can still undo that. So it actually preserves the undo history across time, across saves, which is a really big lifesaver. So this is a really neat feature about that. Thank you so much.